and I am a new employee at RV Garage. Today I want to talk about a problem I solved on my first day at work. Yesterday morning, a car engine suddenly stopped working in the garage. The engine made strange noise and then stopped. My manager asked me to check the problem. First, I checked the engine and the filter. I found that the filter was very dirty. Dirt blocked the filter so the engine could not work well. I cleaned the filter and checked the engine again. After that, I started the engine and it worked normally. I was happy because I solved the problem quickly. My manager was also satisfied with my work. In the future, I will check the machine carefully and clean the filter regularly to avoid this problem again.